the golden bare necessities. Having trouble deciding what to take home for winter break? Don't worry, we got you covered. Only take home what you absolutely need for break. This includes things like your winter clothes or shoes that you'll likely wear, pets, your laptop, any entertainment or gaming systems you'll use at home, medications, important documents, chargers, or perishable food. Anything you think you'll need over break should be taken with you. Everything else can be left in your room for when you return in January. Don't forget to take out your trash and do any laundry before you leave. You can leave your bedding, decorations, school supplies, extra clothes, and shoes. Something you'll probably forget? Your PIN. Many students who live in PIN access buildings forget their PIN over the long break. Even if you think you'll remember, make note of it in your phone or somewhere else safe to avoid an awkward lockout upon your return. Similarly, residents in key buildings should double-check that they didn't forget their keys when leaving campus for break. All doors will be locked by staff after your departure, whether you remembered to lock it or not. Your room will be checked multiple times by housing staff to ensure everything looks right and you have everything you need. But once you check out, you aren't allowed back until the halls reopen on Sunday, January 21st. So make a list and check it twice. If you have any questions about winter break or closing procedures, please reach out to your CA.